52 blocks in 52 weeks. Can I do it? We're gonna die trying. Hi, I'm Eric from Treasure Heart Creations, and I got a bit of a dilemma here. You see, I always wanted to do one of those quilts where it's 100 blocks and you sew one block each day for 100 days. Well, I can't commit to something like that. Don't read into that statement. I kind of thought, well, what if I sew one block for 1 week and do it for a whole year? That'll be 52 blocks. I think I can commit to something like that. So, here's the challenge that I'm going to present. I'm going to be doing one block a week for the next 52 weeks. That'll be a whole year. And hopefully by the end of it, it's going to make a huge quilt top. Now these blocks are going to be of varying sizes and shapes, and I'm going to be sewing from my stash, so some of these blocks might not even go together. Here we go. Here's week 1, and we'll start right now. So what are we making today? Well, I figure when in doubt, just make half square triangles, because that's probably the most versatile block, and well, probably going to turn it into a star anyway. So here's what I'm going to start off with. I'm going to actually start off with 4 5-inch charm squares, and we're going to do a little bit of a different method of making these half square triangles. So I think, well, those of us experienced quilters might know the 8 at a time method, where you actually draw a diagonal across the square on both sides, and then you cut it vertically and then horizontally. Well, we're going to try this method, but with 5-inch charm squares. So let's see if it works. Okay, I am drawing a diagonal line from corner to corner here. And I'm just using, well, this is a friction pen, but you can use basically any marking tool, pencil, ballpoint pen. Just don't use a Sharpie, because that'll actually sting the fabric. But you're gonna just basically be drawing a line from corner to corner. Then you're gonna be sewing on a 1/4 inch on both sides of the line, going this way as well as going this way. So you're going to put it right sides together, and we're going to sew a 1/4 inch on both sides of the line. So let's start sewing. Well, in case you're wondering what this is actually a seam. Well, it's called the Seam So Easy, and this is by Lori Holt of Riley Blake Designs, and basically it helps you to keep your 1/4 inch here. So if I were to actually sew like a regular quilt block, I could line up my fabric, well, straighten that out, and follow this line. Put the fabric edge right along that line. It's a 1/4 inch, and it'll help to keep my accurate 1/4 inch seam. But what's also cool about this is you have these multiple lines here. So I know that my foot is a 1/4 inch away, so if I put the line right there, I'll make an adjustment there, and I start sewing. And what will eventually happen is that the corner, as I start going here, now I can see that the corner at the bottom there, I can follow the line. Well, I messed up. You see, the corner of the fabric is supposed to be in line with the red line that's on the right, not the one in the center. Yeah, this is what happens when I'm not paying attention to what I'm sewing. Yep, look at that. That's not a good seam. Well, it is what it is. Time to rip the seam apart. By the way, my seam ripper is named Jack. The problem is, I couldn't find Jack. Jack, where are you? Come on out. Where could he be? Can't find Jack. Don't know where he's heading. I guess this is a sign that I just need to clean up this quilting space. Yeah. I don't know. Oh wait, what's that? You know, sometimes when you have those moments and you're looking for something and basically you just kind of lose it, and then this happens. He left me alone! And I got all this fabric to sew! But Jack left me! Oh, got it! Found it. Okay, I finally found him. Hiding in a dark corner somewhere. Yep. Just like a meatball, he probably fell down on the floor and rolled out the door, but here's Jack. Now, you've been a bad boy. But I'm gonna put you on timeout. But first, you're gonna help me rip this seam apart. Okay, I just wasted 5 minutes. No, 20 minutes just looking for Jack. My gosh. Kids these days, I tell you. So we're gonna rip this seam apart. Here we go. Rip. We're doing a little frog sewing today. Okay, let me see if I can sew it correctly this time. Put the fabrics together. And let me move them just. Alright, here we go. Line the fabric up and pedal to the metal. Okay, this time I was actually trying to look at what I was sewing, so this should be a little better. Yeah, much better. Whoops. Okay, let's lift up the foot and reset. Get it right there. And here we go. I gotta tell you, if you never sewed with a camera in front of you, between you and the sewing machine, it is a very awkward feeling. Okay, let's cut that. So I sewed a 1/4 inch on both sides. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our ruler and we're gonna cut it right on the diagonal first. Going to rotate the mat. Oh, it came apart a little bit. Reset it. Split it. Cut it on the diagonal again. Then, this time, we're going to cut it horizontally at, let's see, this is a 5-inch square, so we're going to measure it 2.5, cut it in half horizontally. There we go. So make one cut there, then we're going to lift it up and do the other cut at 2.5. And now what we have is 8 half-square triangles. We need to square them up. Now we're going to square them up at 2 inches here. And so I'm not going to press them just yet. Squaring up blocks for me, not the most fun thing to do. Definitely not. I'd rather do laundry. Actually, no. Yeah. But when you have the right size ruler, makes it go by a little quicker. And I hate to say it, but for me, my 1/4 inch is never accurate, so it's a necessary step for me. If a block is supposed to be 3.5 inches, my block usually is about 3.5 and 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, not good for quilting, but you know, do I really care? Definitely not. But you strive for perfection. Main thing is you just have fun, right? Don't kill yourself over perfection, because perfection is really just overrated. Look at me, I'm not perfect. And I'm definitely not overrated, I'll tell you that. When you work with small blocks like this, or small pieces, you know, the more accurate you can get it, the better off the quilt will be. Now look at this piece here, for example. This is way off, so yeah, it would be a good idea to actually trim this one down. So that's what we'll do. And I'm using my cutter as a rig for the camera, so I have to now square it up. You know, what was the first quilt block I ever made? I think it was a disappearing 9-patch. Yeah. Actually, I still have that quilt, and it's sitting on my sofa. And it's the ugliest thing in the world, but you know what? I don't care. I still love it. What was your first quilt? Let us know in the comments below. What's my favorite block? I gotta say I love a log cabin. I don't know what it is, but it's not the most difficult block to make, but yeah, it's kind of versatile in a way. Of course, there's all sorts of ways that you can make it, but if I had to pick one block, that would be my favorite. Yeah. What's your favorite block? Leave that in the comments there too. Now, time to iron. Is this thing even on? It says it's on. Oh, yeah, okay, it's on. That actually felt good. I should do that more often. So since these blocks are so small, we're going to actually press these seams open. Oh, snap. Okay, seams are pressed open. Time to lay out the block. I messed up. This is the problem when you have too many half square triangles in a block. You get them all twisted and you turn them around in the wrong orientation. I was actually supposed to sew on this side. Nope, did it wrong. Where's my jack? I gotta rip this apart. Rip. Let's sew this on correctly now this time. So it's supposed to go like that. Wait, where's the diagram? Yep, this is correct. Let's get going. So. Take the pin out. Go for it. The moment of truth. Did I sew this one on right? Is that right? Oh, wait, no. Oh, it's wrong again. Oh, no, wait, no. Oh, no, it's right. It's right. I just had it turned backwards. Okay. We're fine. Yeah. My mistake is your enjoyment, so hope you guys are enjoying this. We got it right this time. Like that. See? Ooh. Okay. Now we sew the two sides together. And we're almost there. Oh, got caught under there. Oops, no, that's not quite lined up. You know what? I'm gonna pin her down. Pin it down. Pin. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to aim to get as close as to that point as I can. I think I got it. Okay. Let's see. Run it home free. And, ooh, not bad. Not bad. Okay. Kind of missed the point there, but not bad. Yeah. I'm happy with that. And we don't, oh, forgot to press this one. Oh, how does this one look? Ooh, no, I cut the point off. Oh well, I don't care. It's been circumcised. Now, time to put the whole block together. So, I am actually going to match up the points here. Start point here. Put a pin right in there. Can you see that? No, maybe not. Put a star right in there. And then I'll run it across. Put the pin across. Pull it out. Same thing here. And okay, that point is pretty bad, but I'm not going to fix it, so I'm just going to put it right there. Yep, smush it down. Another pin on it. If you like it, then you should have put a pin in it. If you like it, then you should have put a pin in it. Don't be mad that you see that your point got cut off. If you like it, then you should have put a pin in it. So. Okay, now I'm just being ridiculous. It's not a good idea to sew over pins. Okay, one last pin. Pull that one out and home free. Okay, we got, let's press everything open again. I'm pressing the back. Pressing everything flat as I can. Now we go from the front. Grab the quilters, clappers, press everything down. Voila, le beautiful star. Block number 1 is done, and I am green with envy. Yeah, it was fun. Took me a while because, well, somebody went missing, but I had a good time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and comment down below what you liked or maybe you didn't like. And if you like more, or if you want to see more of my videos, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell for notifications when I upload my next video. See you in week 2.